This, guys, is the iPhone 6. It was announced on September 9th, 2014, making this device almost 12 years old. What can you actually do with a 12-year-old iPhone? Well, that's what this video is going to help you figure out. The iPhone 6 actually had a software update come out not too long ago that actually fixed certificates so that FaceTime and iMessage would work past January of 2027. It's iOS 12.5.8. Every time I try to install it, it fails, but maybe this time it'll actually go through, but we're not actually gonna install it in this video. So you probably want to know what app support is like on the iPhone 6 in 2026. Well, basically non-existent, because every other app developer now has the minimum requirement be at least iOS 16 in order for apps to be fully up to date. Meaning the iPhone 6s is now starting to lose support with apps. Certain apps do still work on their older versions until they don't. Discord and Instagram still work on their older versions. If I just load up Discord here. Yeah, so Discord works. Now let's try Instagram. You've been logged out, please sign back in. Something weird's going on here. Okay, well, I've never actually seen this before. Okay, maybe Instagram doesn't work on iOS 12. Maybe I was wrong. Apparently I'm 19 again. Okay, let's restart the app. There we go. Continue. Oh, I guess Instagram does not work on iOS 12 anymore. Twitter obviously does not work on iOS 12 anymore, and it hasn't for quite a long time. YouTube also does not work on iOS 12 anymore. Update available. Using an old version of YouTube. Please update and get important bug fixes and improvements. Oh, there's the update required screen. As for downloading older games, yeah, you can still do that on here, because I have quite a bit of games. I have a bunch of Minecraft knockoffs that I was actually going to play for a video at some point, but I never made it. Oh, this phone has auto brightness on, something I don't want. I don't understand why auto brightness is in accessibility settings. That still pisses me off. I don't understand why Apple did that. I forgot I had Reddit on here. Does Reddit still work on iOS 12? Sorry, please try again later. Well, I guess Reddit also doesn't work on iOS 12. Unless I don't have everything updated. Your apps are up to date. Never mind. Yep, I guess it just does not work on iOS 12. But I know what does work on iOS 12 is iMessage and FaceTime. Let's send a message to myself. Can you believe that? Ah, I forgot to see if Spotify works. I mean, Spotify used to work on iOS 7 for quite a while, so what if it still works here? Oh, look at that, it does work. Amazing. Well, if you're gonna use an old iPhone as a music player, this is still good. Not only for Spotify, but probably also for SoundCloud and also Apple Music. Which, what do I have on here? No, I don't want a month free of Apple Music. Oh, hell yeah, we got the 2016 NCS music. We have Five Nights at Freddy's music too. I kind of forgot all this stuff was on here. Do I even want to bother doing camera stuff? I don't think it really matters, because are you really gonna be using an iPhone 6 as like a photo camera? Oh, but people have been using old iPhones for aesthetics. I think it would look really nice. Okay, fine. Hi, kitty. Hi. So that, my friends, is the iPhone 6. Is it usable nowadays? Honestly, no. If it's more like a collector's item, then yeah, I feel like you could pick one up for quite cheap. Just for a collection device and nothing else really. Maybe a portable music player if you really want one. I mean, hell, I'm using an old iPhone as a music player. It's literally the first iPhone. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, or maybe even videos early, maybe support the channel, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.